we've arrived at the first step in your blueprint to setting up a data-first organization, that is, to determine your organization's analytics maturity. So there's no hard and fast rule of going about this, but depending on a few parameters like the level of proficiency you'll have with data, with gaining insights and working with BI capabilities, we've identified 3 stages of analytics maturity that your organization can fall under. So as you see over here, we have the exploratory stage, the democratized stage, and the transformational stage. So organizations that fall under the exploratory category are still at a nascent stage where they're trying to evaluate different BI platforms, they are understanding data and analytics and are learning to work with them. Moving on to the democratized stage. So businesses at this stage understand the value of data and have the right tools in place. But the question moves from what is data and analytics to how many people in your organization are actually making data-driven decisions. So that is the main challenge that we'll be covering in the democratized stage. And finally, moving to the transformational stage. Over here, the business has everything well set. They have a good BI platform in place and their employees are making data-driven decisions. But the question is, how do you sustain these practices over time? For each of these stages of analytics maturity, we'll be covering best practices that businesses can adopt in order to ultimately move up this ladder and implement better data-driven decisions.